This video shows you how to calculate confidence intervals on your graphical calculator for S1 or for S2 when you are using Z. Now this will just take you to the final answer, but you should show your working out for in between. If you need to calculate Z for your working out, then you should use the inverse normal. So let's put this into our calculator. We need to select the stats option. And across the bottom, you should see one of the options is interval. So this is actually F4 and it usually just says INTR. So if I select interval, in this case we want Z. If you're doing S1, you always want Z. And then it comes up with a few other options. Again, we always pick the first one, which is 1S. When your screen comes up, it should say at the top, one sample and Z interval. Data should always be variable. If it says list, you need to change this. And we're going to type in the various bits of information. So the first thing is the confidence level. In the question I've got here, I want 98%, so I'm going to put 0.98 in. The standard deviation, which is 12.4. The X bar value, which is 20.7. And our N in this case is 20. Double check that you've typed all this information in correctly, and then you should be able to press execute, and it tells you the left and the right values. So these are the two values of the upper and lower limits of your confidence interval. So in this case 14.25 and 27.15. Double check whatever the accuracy is that is required in the question, and if doesn't state, then it's going to be three significant figures. Again, this is just giving you the final answer. You should use the inverse normal to find the Z and set out your working appropriately.